What is up, everybody? It is the Guitarster. Welcome back to another video. To another tutorial. We'll be learning how to play. I'll be teaching you guys how to play. I can't speak right now. I'll be teaching you guys how to play Jirens Tremendous Power from Dragon Ball Super. It sounds a bit like this. Let me turn on the amp and the drive. It sounds like this. And for the drive, I have the gain maxed. Bass at 9, treble at treble at 9. Alright, so let's get started. So you're going to start on the A string. Fret 3, then 2, like 3, 2, 2. Open, then do the same thing. Then we want to do that a couple more times. Then you want to go to this. We're gonna do this part now. So on the same, we're gonna be on the same string the whole time. So we're gonna move the fret 5, 3. 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. Oh yeah, I always have the 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. Now it's just like this. Yes, now we're going to do the bass part. It goes like this. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. That's the backup part. It goes along with this part. I saw this on a game about guitars, so the playlist will be linked down below. Okay, as we learned how to play Enter Sandman, another one by Dust, and another one and lots of others. Next, we'll be learning this out of the next video. And master credits. And here we go. Here's our boardwalk. If you guys want to be on it, make sure to subscribe. And that should be all for today's video. Have a great day, everybody. I'll see you guys in the next one.